from ECCPP Auto Parts, here with our chrome detailed tow mirror. This tow mirror is built for any 1999 through 2007 Ford Super Duty F250, 350, 450, and 550. This particular model is designed to be manual folding, manual extending, and comes with the same 4-pin mounting locations, base plate, OE connector, and an adapter for the earlier 3-wire round style plugs. This tow mirror also features an integrated LED turn signal, a lower panoramic mirror, and an upper adjusted power mirror with power heating. Measuring at 19 inches when extended and 17 inches when closed, and the mirror itself measuring at 13 inches by 9 inches, it's designed to maximize your road safety and visibility. This tow mirror is designed as a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.